Today, I am going to teach you how you can work from home and earn a lot of money. Earn a lot of money from the comfort of your home with just a laptop or your smartphone. Now, this is not a get rich quick or a gimmick or something like that. These are proven methods that will definitely give you a lot of money if you follow the step by step method that I am going to tell you today. Before getting started, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, be sure to do that because I post these type of videos every 2 days. And without further ado, let's get started. Today, I'm going to tell you about the 3 side hustles that will pay you a lot by just using your smartphone or a laptop. So, the first one of these is social media managing. Now, in the past videos, I have talked a lot about this particular skill. Why is that? Because this is the first skill that I have used to earn money online. Now, how did I do that? So, I started my Instagram page named The Business Boy, just like my YouTube channel, on 14th April 2020, and by July or August I had hit over 1000 followers. Now, by the time I hit 1000 followers, I had earned some money from my consulting services where I taught others how they can grow their Instagram page. Now, I can show you some proofs. Here are some proofs. So these are some of my earning proofs. They are not a lot, but I have earned in just a time span of 2-3 months. They are in just a time of 2-3 months by just investing only. I did not invest some money. I did not invest a lot of time. I did not invest something important in my Instagram page. I just made quality content, posted it online, and I grew my Instagram page. I learned from somebody. I paid him some cents. You can, yes, I learned it all in some pennies compared to the things I have earned. So I also earned a traffic generating page that will redirect my followers to my other things like my YouTube. So this is the power of social media managing. If you can grow a Instagram page or a Twitter page or a YouTube page or a Facebook page, anything, I'm telling you, anything you can grow now, or maybe LinkedIn page. Yes, I forgot about LinkedIn. So yes, if you can grow anything, then you can earn a lot of money from any social media account. This is the power of social media managing. But if you are not into making content or things like that, then I'm going to tell you more about the next side hustle that we are going to talk about. That I'm going to talk about today is blogging or writing. Now, this may sound boring to you because there are so many bloggers out there today. But blogging is still a big bad way to earn money. Not bad, but yeah, a big way to earn money. Now, I am currently doing it. You can check out my blog or some of my articles. I will leave my article on this particular topic in the description so you can check that out too. But blogging and writing, this is something you should do if you are trying, if you writing is your passion. If you can write something, then you can write anything, and not literally anything, but if you can write something, then you can write other things too. So if I'm writing a blog, then I can write content, I can write scripts for YouTube videos, I can write product reviews for companies that are willing to pay me. Yes, for the companies that are willing to pay me, I can write product reviews, I can write product descriptions, I can write so many things. So you have to just start writing and produce your content on a website, your own website, or you can go to some other websites like Medium. I post my articles on Medium and LinkedIn. So you can go on LinkedIn, Medium, or bloggerpost.com, or there are so many websites out there where you can post your articles, your blogs for free. So just go out there, and if your talent or passion is writing, then start writing. And if you're not into writing, but how can you earn money using writing? Well, if you write, then you can write for companies too. If you can write for yourself, then you can write for companies too. I just started writing a week or two ago, and I landed two gigs recently. I just landed two gigs recently just by writing some articles. I didn't write a lot of articles, I just wrote some articles, but I have the skills of copywriting in me. So, yes, I landed some gigs just in a matter of 2 weeks. So, you can earn a lot by writing and blogging too. And if you're not into writing, then you can start the other side hustle that I am going to tell you right now. That side hustle that I'm going to tell you about is this. What's this? The thing you are watching right now. Video. Yes, videography. The thing you are watching right now, video. You can make videos of your own. Now, I put this thing in the last because not everyone is confident enough to make their own videos. So, not everyone is confident enough to make their videos, but if you have the confidence in you, I mean, don't worry. No one has the confidence in the start. I did not have the confidence in the start too, but I'm making videos on a regular basis now. So you just have to start making videos, and I can't even tell you the benefits of making videos in just 1 minute. It will take a lot of time to tell you the benefits. I'm going to tell you some now. So you can earn by making videos. First thing is, you can put out your videos on YouTube, and if they are good, YouTube algorithm picks it and pushes it upside. Then your channel will grow, and you can earn money through AdSense. That's the most basic way you can earn money through videography. Next, you can give voiceover on others' videos too. So there are so many gigs out there. You just have to go and take them. I just received a voiceover gig some days ago, maybe 1 month ago, and I earned decent money with just some minutes of work. 7 minutes, yeah. If I remember correctly, it was 7 minutes voiceover. I gave the voiceover, then I earned a decent amount of money. So there are so many ways you can earn using videography. Well, that's it for today. These are the side hustles that can give you a lot of money from the comfort of your home just by using your smartphone or your laptop. Comment down below which one is your favorite. Mine is social media managing or writing or blogging. Yes, writing or blogging is my favorite. So comment down below which one is your favorite, and if you like the video, be sure to like it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Until next time, this is the Business Boy taking you towards your financial freedom.